They say that one of the three most stressful things in life is moving home. But this can be made even more so when you help purchasing and adapting a property for a disabled person. This is one of my roles as a Property and Affairs Deputy, and fortunately I have an experienced team that helps me. The first thing a deputy must do is ensure that the deputyship order allows the deputy to buy a property. If it isn't in the order, then they will need to apply for a direction as soon as possible. This will include giving details of the type of property as well as an estimate of adaptation costs. This can take several months to get, but often doesn't hold things up, as finding the right house, flat or maisonette will also take some time. Whatever you do, don't rush it. It is likely that the disabled person will live in the property for many years, if not for life. So where does a deputy start when looking for a property? My first step is usually to ask the people who know the family well and have specialist knowledge. Most often, this is a case manager or a property search expert. Together, we always look carefully at the location and especially how easy it will be for the disabled person to get to the shops and doctors, as well as friends and family. Carers will also need to be able to visit the person. This may mean that good public transport is essential, as the lack of it will make living in a remote area difficult. An occupational therapist may also be involved and give their opinion on the floor plan and layout. Bungalows, as they are not all on one level, are usually in high demand. But if there is enough land, an extension or even having a lift may be worth considering where the property has a number of levels. There is a solution to most things, but an eye will always need to be kept on the budget. After talking to the family to get a rough idea as to what they want to do, the next step is to talk to an architect. The plans that are produced are discussed with the family. This ensures that they are practical and work well for everyone. Where planning permission is needed, the work is usually tendered out to 3 different builders. This gives the family a clear idea of the cost and what will be involved. At the same time, you may want to start an application to the local council for what is known as the Disabled Facilities Grant. This is worth up to £30,000 in England and £36,000 in Wales and is available to cover adaptation work. However, it's means tested, so the council will take into account how much money the disabled person has. This is unless they're under 18, where they are exempt from means testing. Where this is the case, it's sensible to have the adaptation work done while the person is a minor. We can help complete these applications as well as deal with the whole process from start to finish. After all, you don't want buying and adapting a property to be in your top 3 most stressful things in life.